Hey champs, today we are going to learn JWT token. Okay, so now first we have created a file JWT Node.js. Okay, now let JWT require JSON web token. Okay, friends. Now verified token and the other one is generate token. Module.export verify verify token and generate token. Okay, now these are two methods. First to generate token and the second one is create token. Okay, okay. So first need to generate token. Okay, JWT WT sign. Okay, this is our secret key. Okay, and this is the data dot. Okay, now this it generated the token, and now we are going to work in verified token. Okay, so data, that data, JWT dot verify token, that dot read access token. Okay, now this will get token from. If token is not provided, then the token not provided. Okay, if token is provided, then token and need to add this key here. When you generate the token and when you verify the token, this key is mandatory. And obviously, these two keys are same. Okay, friends. Now need to check, try, try catch, add this. Okay. If data is available, then we assign a variable like dot user data. Okay. Now in the error case, okay, res dot status is equal charge routine and send invalid token. Okay. So verify token and generate token. So first let token return token. Okay. Now this generate function calling in create method. Okay. Now generate token. Let data. This is the data. Generate token data. Okay. Now generated token. Okay. Let the send generated token field. Okay. Create send. Okay. Need to install this module. npm install JSON with token. Okay. And now can start this function. Send the token will be generated, and this token we are adding in header. Okay. Access token. Now going to the middleware. So rag.get access token. This method get token from header. Okay. Now if token is verified, then rag user has data. Otherwise send invalid token. So now going to controller and command generate token because we have already generated token. Okay. So if token is validated, then the message coming from here. Otherwise, this will coming invalid token. Okay, so first need to check. Okay, no. First need to add in route. Okay, validate user. Okay. Now remove this. Verify token. Add verify token middleware here. Okay. And now the time to check this thing. Something is going wrong. Okay. I'm not adding. I'm not adding next in this function. That's right. This coming error. Okay. Now time to check. Send. Yes, user created. The token has been validated. Okay. Now just change something in this token. So I just remove K, invalid token. And get it. So token is validated. So friends, if you think this video is helpful to you, then like this video, subscribe this channel, comments and share. Thank you very much for watching.